Hi there, it's Grant here. Now, in this very quick video, I just want to run over the performance of one ticker trader, because I think if you're watching this video and you're interested in following Larry Benedict and his one ticker trader service, then ultimately you want to know how well his picks are going. So what I'm doing, I'm just in one of the emails he's sent out talking about trading strategies. As you can say, this is trading with Larry Benedict, his one ticker trader service. But if we go down here, this list is basically the performance of all 12 of the options trades he's recommended to his clients since August. Larry launched one ticker trader last August. He's put out 12 recommendations for options trades. And basically, here are the results of his trades. 78%, 41%, 89%, 89%, 11%, 65%, 74%, 89%, 47%, 38%, 47%. And for the 12th trade, they sold half at 42.2% and the remainder for 96.6%. So that's a cumulative return of 240% in less than 6 months, which is really impressive. Now, this isn't, if you did all these trades, you're not going to be able to retire, but that isn't the point of Larry's service. Larry is all about choosing trades that, have the least amount of risk, but the maximum amount of upside. And he's not swinging for the hay and putting really risky bets out. Larry's got a very specific system called the one ticker retirement plan that he uses to pick stocks that are going to make a move. Then he picks an options trade when he expects that stock to move. And that is basically his strategy. One stock at a time, looks for moves in that stock price, and then picks an options trade to capture that move and sell the option for a profit. So if you really want to know how one ticker traders going, 240% in the last 6 months, highly impressive. And what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to show you in my trading screen. I use Tastyworks, and I've actually got a position open for Larry's latest pick, which is here. So I only opened this a couple of days ago. It's got a bit to go, but we'll see how this performs over the next week to possibly couple of weeks. Is this going to be 13 positive trades in a row? We will see. But I've been watching Larry's performance very closely over the past 5 months. I've done 1 or 2 of his trades. Haven't really gone all in yet, but I've seen enough to know, and I've researched enough about options to know that Larry's the real deal. He's got an awesome track record he's been a trader for 35 years, but since he launched One Ticker Trader, 12 straight trades in a row that been profitable, 240% returns. I've seen enough that I know he's a reliable source in order to get picks from. So I'm going to be following Larry over this year to see how things go. Now, I must stress that obviously just because he's picked 12 winners in a row doesn't mean it's going to be another 12 this year. They're going to be positive. So you're always going to have losing trades, just nature of the beast. But as long as you make more than you lose, that is what matters. And I fully expect Larry to pick some more great winners this year. So what I'm going to do very quickly is just show you around One Ticker Trader. Now you know how it's performing. I'm just going to show you basically what you get. Now, the first thing is the issues and updates. This is where you're going to get all of Larry's trade alerts. So basically, this is what they look like. You've got a sell alert for sell and a trade alert, to buy. Now, the next thing is to understand how his system works. You've got 2 reports. This is Larry's guides to options. So read that and you'll be up to speed with options. And this is basically the strategy of how his one ticker retirement plan works. So easy to consume. You can go through these reports in about an hour and you'll be pretty much fully up to speed of how Larry's, of options and how, his strategy works. And then you've got videos here which show you how to place trades in a recommended options trading app, which is called Think or Swim. You can place trades on a mobile desktop. And that is basically what there is to one ticker trader. And the great thing about it is obviously you get fantastic picks. That's why you're going to be joining this. But obviously you're not going to be bombarded with information. Basically, Larry teaches you the basics, and then you basically follow his trades, and then you make profit. So, do I recommend One Ticker Trader from Larry Benedict? Absolutely. Based on his reputation, a 35-year trader who's one of the best traders in the world, certainly one of the top options traders in the world. Past 5 months since launching this service, 240% gains across all 12 of his trades so far. Will you make it lucky 13? I will see in the next couple of weeks, but I don't really care because I know I'm in this for the long run. I'm not looking to make a quick buck and disappear. I'm interested in options trading, so I'm going to be following this journey for the next year and longer because it's something I'm interested in, and I think it's a great way to make money at the moment, options trading, as you can profit so many different ways with options. But basically, you can profit whether the stock price goes up or the stock price goes down. So it's perfect for the volatile market we're in. And even, a market where stocks are booming, options trading is still fantastic. So if you want to join Larry on this journey with me and tens of thousands of other traders who are with Larry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to One Ticker Trader below. You can join today for just $19, which locks your membership in for a year, and you also get a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can get your money back. So if you want to learn options trading and start profiting from options trading, you've seen the results, why not give Larry's One Ticker Trader a go? I'll leave a link down in the description. Just click it, have a read. If you want to join, you can join for $19 a day, and basically you're protected for up to 60 days because you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, and that will lock your membership in for a whole year. Anyway, hopefully you found this video useful and informative if you're interested in Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader, and I'll speak to you soon.